Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming which Keep account and device you will use, sign in, and pick the Notes subset. Once done, make sure you have enough free storage and a stable Wi-Fi connection so the export won't fail. Next, choose whether to export all notes, only labeled folders, or a specific date range. This reduces file size and speeds the process. Start the app's export or takeout feature now and watch for progress indicators so you know the operation has begun. You now create the actual backup file using Google Takeout or the app's export option. Select formats like zip or HTML for easy access. Once the archive is ready, immediately copy it to at least 2 locations, your preferred cloud storage and a local external drive or NAS for redundancy. After transferring, verify the archive by opening several sample notes and confirming attachments loaded correctly. If everything looks right, label the backup with a clear date and move on to schedule the next automated run. Finish by automating backups, schedule recurring exports, or enable continuous sync to your cloud storage so you won't forget. Make sure retention is reasonable. Keep at least 3 rotated backups and test restores every few months to confirm usability. If an export fails, troubleshoot by clearing the app cache, retrying on a stable Wi-Fi network, or splitting large exports into smaller batches. These steps usually resolve common errors. Finally, document your backup location and restore steps so you can recover quickly when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.